The Lenovo-owned Motorola has launched the first phone with a pop-up camera setup for selfie experience known as Motorola One Hyper. The brand's first pop-up camera smartphone, Motorola One Hyper, has black and blue color options and it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. It has available in 4GB of RAM and 128GB native storage and One Hyper cost $400 price tag. Currently, the phone has available for purchase in Brazil while the other markets will get soon. The company has built this device with a plastic frame body and the company has used a 3D curved design on the back of the phone and combined with the matte finish, it looks like a pretty stylish phone. The Motorola One Hyper has power button and volume keys on the right side while the left side has a dual SIM slot. The front panel offers motorized pop-up camera setup for selfie experience while on the back panel the mobile phone gets vertically shaped dual camera setup and fingerprint scanner. The Motorola One Hyper features a 6.39 inches IPS LCD with the 19:9 aspect ratio and 16 colors. Along with 1080 by 2340 pixels, it offers Full HD+ resolution at 403 ppi density. Under the hood, the One Hyper has powered by Snapdragon 675 chipset constructed on 11nm octa-core processor, 2x2. 0 GHz Creo 460 Gold and 6x1. 7 GHz Creo 460 Silver, and paired with up to 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB native storage. An awesome thing. It runs on the top of Android 10 and offers an Adreno 612 GPU. You can boost that by up to 1 TB if you used a microSD card. The Motorola One Hyper packs a 4000 mAh battery that can support up to 45 watts for quick charging. Unfortunately, Motorola has shipped this phone with only an 18 watts charger. Let's talk about front and rear camera setups. The One Hyper has a 32MP immersive sensor for taking selfies and live video recording. On the other hand, as for the rear cameras, it offers vertically shaped dual camera setup which includes a 64MP primary sensor with f/1.9 aperture and an 8MP ultra-wide lens with f/2.2 aperture. The 64MP main camera provides beautiful images with a great amount of color and detail. The phone also offers laser autofocus to keep images in focus and a night vision mode for low-light photography experience. Since the Motorola One Hyper has featured shot optimization, so it has auto-detect when to apply night vision.